Baba Attention TV biom ekwientwa na matena medwam de nsem eba besum na nsem we ano owram ti message obe like kakra no wasanso a subscribe kakra maye na misranso a wasanso awoso ama onua na waponchi adoba no so wa subscribe amaye na wanya notification bi ebe free Attention TV ebeba se sia no e kamia ese wo bi wu a won hyeda eni asomwie sa obehu mame abrewa bi a wadi be 90 wa brank wo se ye kopre no krabre anase ne ne dam ne sie mu no ye deda ne kama na so bia nam no hwe ne sesi ade da bi se wo ye koko fam anase wu a ye kotwa koko asinwere ne nyina ebegu ne asanso asen wadaka nti se koko ne ade asie se wo ye obi a wo kan bankuton a ene da the same design ni e design se kokuroko ni e di watu wo ye football na ya ye Nike mpaboy bi adaka na ye di asio ni e koso no sesi a wo Ghana memo ano ode Prophet Kofi Oduro says sans niema na ye Ghana for sesi a ye di asi ene so na ye yina sebe tafrache eye nkwasiasem ne nkrasesem kakra na ye we na bema nipa no asori akonkwaje mu anase we na bema wanya eye favor bi wonyankopon ni wona temu mu enti ye gya sa sebe nkwasiasem na ye di na ne etwa ne nso kra ye eye maame bi a wo ya na nkwala ne ye bako 10 oni mbema ahodo 10 no na wo ye yenya kokuduro ekosi mema sebe mutadue yi na daka ene yedi sie maame no eno na etwa ne nsono mu anka wo se busua pani wo kuro mu kura no anka wo se yechini tum se wo ma kwan me yede saade no ebeto abonten Prophet Kofi Oduro akasa against all these things Mr. Mayentimra.
So I can't come to your house and see very nasty things. Looking at how dressed, polished, and decent you are, I can't come to your house and see very, very awkward things. If you can kind in your house, because the man that is born again is not only born again in the spirit, but completely born again. Completely. Look at the minds of mediocrity and the minds of the foolishness of Jannes and Jambres is what have entered Ghana. Foolishness of Jannes and Jambres have entered Ghana. Now when somebody dies, we don't even have respect for the dead anymore. We can take a dead body and then put the dead body and put the dead body in the kitchen, and then we say because she was a cook, because she was a choba. Nonsense. You sometimes I ask, in that family, are there no elders? Are there no elders? But you see, it is not only the elderly that is always wise. Job chapter 32 and verse number 7, 8, or 9. Get a verse. The Bible made us submit. Not the elderly. That is. Job 32 verse 9. Great men are not always wise. Obi one man say, "Oh, what training when you or you 80 years, then you fear nanka. You didn't need a man of bad. Who you Jimmy for? Serious? Where Jimmy? Obi where Jimmy? Where Jimmy? Ubon Pie man where Jimmy? What Kasachidan where Jimmy? Utunif where Jimmy? Jimmy! Ye Jimmy. Jannes and Jambres were fools according to the prescriptions of God's word. We take a dead body and then they put the dead body out of the coffin and they carry the dead body, marching the dead body through the streets. You go to advanced country, a person dies in an accident scene or a crime scene, they don't even show the body. Decency! They don't pray in tongues. You people are here praying in tongues with foolishness as a nation. Jimmy Jimmy. Is that truth? Omina Jimmy, and I'm going to quote scriptures to it. I'm not just talking. Omina Jimmy. Psalm 94 verse 11, the Bible said the Lord knows what is in the heart of a man. He knows that everything is vanity. And so Jeremiah chapter 4:22, the Bible said, if it is a man, Jimmy, he personalized it. My people are foolish. They don't know me. They are Scottish people. They have none understanding. They are wise to do evil, and good they have no knowledge. turn this into my language. The Bible said clearly, if it's a mema Jimmy, Ajaye imi ejimi. Jaya imi Jimmy. Carry even a dead body in a coffin and throw the casket away. Break the casket into pieces and throw the pieces of the rubble and the dead body into the pit and close it up. What was the sense of even putting the person in a coffin in the first place? And why do we wash them, beautify that body and all that? Because of Jimmy. Jimmy have hold a switch. Jimmy have made even young people throw their destiny into the gutter. Yeah. Jimmy.
Where there is very right. Nipa no we wa bre all these things no manu en sorry ma en kwamu bie mesese Ghana for ye be jai sa ne me kakra. Empo no hwe adaka ne ne ma na ye na ewo aso kakra se bia wo ye koko fama na ye design koko no na se ne a ye di nipa ni gina ho galamsey no anu odi ni akosisa galamsey anwe nia dia begu efie se ye de nipa no anu odi kakra be se ye be jai ekwentwa makra.